How to cut ratchet belt. Step by step. Hi, I teach you how to cut ratchet belt to right length. First, you need to find the major part of the strap. As you can see it here. Now you wear it. Wear the strap around your hips. And measure those extra strap. From here, you can cut those extra strap by using scissor or any cutting object you can use. Now you just have to attach this buckle. Use your hand power to make it fix. Here we go. Great comfort in having a belt that is very convenient to wear and looks fashionable at the same time. Presenting world first perfect fit, no hole ratcheting belt. Thank you.